Welcome back to Shafia's kitchen. Last month I had an accident due to which we were away from our viewers. Now Alhamdulillah I'm fine. We are bringing for you a very special recipe of Norwegian cheese omelette. Let me tell you what ingredients are needed for this recipe. I have taken 3 medium-sized onions, cut it into small pieces, half garlic, 1 large tomato, 2 small green chilies, 1 piece of cheddar cheese, ginger paste, small pieces of green onion, salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, cooking oil, 3 eggs of hen. I am going to use this cooking pan. First of all, I will put cooking oil in this cooking pan and I will use only 3 teaspoons of cooking oil. Our fire is ready. I am going to use this cooking pan and first of all I will put cooking oil in this cooking pan and I will use only 3 teaspoons of cooking oil. Now I am going to add onions in this cooking oil. We will not make it brown, we will make it soft, and after that I will add small water. Onions are soft now. We will not make these onions brown, and I am going to add water. And we will cook it on low heat. Now I am going to add all the spices: red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder and salt, and mix all the spices properly. I will cook it almost 4 to 5 minutes on low heat. This is the condition of all spices and onions. Now I am going to add all other items. I am going to add green chilies, garlic, ginger paste, tomatoes, green onion. It will be very tasty and you will prepare it daily, inshallah. Now I am going to add 3 eggs of hen, the most important part of this recipe. I did not add cheddar cheese. I will add this when egg will be almost ready. Omelette will be almost ready. And I am going to mix it. Small water is left in this omelette, and I am mixing egg and all the onions and spices properly. Now I am going to add cheddar cheese. This cheddar cheese will increase the taste of this omelette, and I am sure when you will prepare this omelette in your house, you will start preparing and making this omelette daily, inshallah. Look at the aroma of this omelette is everywhere. Very tasty. My children are ready to eat. Our Norwegian cheese omelette is ready. I'm going to dish out. The aroma of this omelette, this Norwegian cheese omelette is everywhere, and it looks very tasty, very tasty. Water is dry. Our tasty and delicious Norwegian cheese omelette is ready. Our daughter will tell the taste of this Norwegian cheese omelette.
Tasty and yummy.
Viewers, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, Shafia's channel. Allah Hafiz. Allah Nigeban. Allah Nigeban.